The longer I'm in Detroit, the more electric vehicles we build. And the future of the Motor City is electric. My name is Gary Thornton, and I am the CEO of Beacon Manufacturing. Beacon, at its core, is a manufacturing and a logistics company that is serving the micromobility industry. We do not want to build one bicycle, don't want to build, one motorcycle. We want to allow somebody to scale up and help them with their operational efficiencies. By Beacon being a member of Newlab, we have been fortunate enough to create what we call BeaconLab.
At Newlab, we've expanded out beyond the traditional prototyping and fabrication shops. Started to expand into what does it mean to transition towards larger scale manufacturing. So you may be building your first prototype in our prototyping shops or 3D printing something. Then you come into this space, and it means I need to make 10, 100, 1,000 of these things. Thinking about the chain from I made my first prototypes into making more and more of these to send to customers around the world.
This is such a great opportunity for a number of innovators, a number of makers and doers to come to Michigan, come to the city of Detroit. This is no longer just considered the motor city, this is the mobility state.
Ultimately, our objective here is to get to basically a sub $10,000 kind of local travel car, something that's going to be easier for you to go 10 miles or less typically and not on the highway. Building here at Newlab and at Beacon has been really incredible. We've got access to tooling that would be very expensive or really difficult to access in other places, as well as really incredible skilled talent here that can help where needed and work collaboratively with my team.
As an open platform, what we want to do is be able to create a space where everyone can succeed. Detroit is the city that put the world on wheels, and what Beacon is doing is beginning to say, like, we're putting the world on the next set of wheels, but doing it in a different form factor, a smaller, lighter, safer, and much more climate-friendly version of it.